可以开始了。
好了好了，
好了吗？
开始吧。
好的，就开始了。
开始吧。
但是我看不见其他客户的什么反馈啊啥呀。
我
有买家进入直播间
我
了。
等会儿微信发给你，好吧？
好的好的，
发你工作微信。
好嘞，行，那现在开始啊。OK. Hello everyone, welcome to Doing's live show. Look, we are doing today. In our factory, we are delivering machine. Now I will introduce you the delivery details. Please follow me to see the delivery. Now I'm in the factory. Welcome our new clients. This morning, we already delivered one truck, and now the second one is ready. This is the third one. Here is our factory. Welcome the new clients. Now you are in Doing Group live showroom for pyrolysis machine delivery. Now we already at the workshop for delivery. If you have any questions, you can communicate with us online. Like this is the condenser, the big condenser. This machine is going to deliver to Kenya. This is an automatic feeder. It's our 15-ton with the tire pyrolysis machine. This is oil tank, oil water separator. This customer also bought our carbon black pellet machine. You know, the carbon black comes from a pyrolysis machine is a powder. So this customer make the powder into briquettes and to use as a fuel, replace coal. This is the vacuum device. This vacuum is very important. As you know, when one batch finish, there is a residual gas inside the reactor. At this time, if you open the door, this inside have high temperature and a flammable gas. This is very dangerous. So this vacuum is used to suck out the flammable gas before open the door. So this can guarantee safety before open the door. He also bought tire cutting machine. You know, since the tires, including the very strong wire, so when you put inside reactor, without cutting, the capacity will be less. Sometimes the customer asks, what's the real capacity of the reactor? If we say 10 ton or 15 ton, if they really can put 10 ton or 15 ton, that will depend how do you fit the tires. Firstly, if you remove the very hard wire from the sidewall of the tires with this machine, and then feed the tires with that automatic feeder, this can put for 15-ton machine. You even can put more than 15 tons. So that's why customer bought or cutter as well as auto feeder. That's used to increase capacity. In the truck now, firstly, we need to deliver to take-down ports. In the ports, we'll put these accessories inside the containers. And the containers load into ships and deliver to the destination. Welcome our new customers. This is a Doing Group machinery delivery line flow site. Welcome. This machine delivered today is the with the tire pyrolysis machine to Kenya. If you have any questions or you are interested in this machine, you can contact with us, or you can type your questions on the screen and we can discuss. Now the second track is almost done. We are waiting for the third track. When the third track comes, welcome to see again. At this moment, let me introduce some other places of our workshop. This is one of our workshops, especially used to make small accessories. We start from this area. This is the machinery area. Look, the different machineries used to make the spare parts more precise. In some small factories, they usually take these spare parts outside to the special factories to make it. And in our factory, we invest in different machines. It's only for our self-use. This one under making now is the bearing supports from continuous pyrolysis machine. This machine could lace. It's used to make the pipes and the flange. Small flange is made from this machine, like this one, or this one is made from dead lace. Later, I will take you to see that big lace, this one. The big lace used to make the big flange, and the diameter maximum can make 1.6 meters. Now, almost 90% of our factory necessary is made in our own factory. You can see one worker is monitoring one machine. So he is doing the same work every day. This can make sure that the quantity and can reduce the mistake and guarantee the quantity.
有买家进入直播间了。
This is the drawing. And he is making the devices according to this drawing. You can see after process, this part looks like a stainless steel. See, this is made from this machine. After process, it becomes very precise.
有买家进入直播间了。
Like this is a flange. This is the drilling machine. It's used to make holes on the spare parts. This one is the milling machine. everyone,
家进
I'm
入直播
Bonnie.
间了。
We'll see you again. After a long time, today we see again in our factory. Now it's winter in China. If you're planning to come to China, you should wear thick. Look, now what we wear in China. The temperature here is about almost 0 degrees. After a few days, will be more cold. Some of the customer now is planning to come to China. So please prepare thick coat before come to China. Welcome our new clients. Now you are in the live show of doing group. Today we are in factory to see the delivery of machine to Kenya. It's a 15-ton with the tire pyrolysis machine to Kenya. The second truck now is ready to go. The third one is already here, and we'll start delivery later. While we are waiting for the third truck, let me show you our workshop. In the second floor, you can see in the second floor, there are some ready cars. In order to save space, we put to the second floor. This one in silver is our 100 kilogram small unit. This is mainly used for testing. So if you have different materials, you want to test the oil yield or how the material works, you can use this small unit. This one in a green color. This is the FRP. It's our desulfurization tower. This is specially used to remove sulfur from the smoke. This is another type of condensers. It's a water tank cooling condenser. This condenser is a simple one. The same function with the professional condensers, but this one more simple. And this one, this base is a furnace, the ready furnace for our 15-ton pyrolysis machine. Generally, the foundation is the furnace is made underground. But in some customer factory, they don't want to dig a hole on the ground. They like to build the furnace on the ground. This is the solution. The first floor and the second floor, also the rear access. This is the old screw conveyors. This one is for Sri Lanka, 15-ton plastic pyrolysis machine. This one also for Sri Lanka is for feeding. This is the feeding conveyor. This one is the discharge conveyor. This machine is specially recycle the garbage plastic. This is oil tank. This is the condensers for 50-ton continuous machine. It's made for United States. This is a vacuum. It's a dedusting. This is the wet scrubber dedusting. You know, since the smoke is acid, so if use normal steel, acid will
有
make
买
the
家进入
steel
直播间
corrosion
了，
very quickly. So in this dedusting system, inside we made the refractories in order to prevent that corrosion. This one is the big automatic feeder. Look. This the hydraulic automatic feeder, when you put the tires, one time you can put about half ton. One time can put half ton. So for 15-ton machine, only 2 hours, maximum 2 hours can finish feeding. You can compare the size of this feeder. Look. Now I'm standing in front of the feeder. You can see. It's very tall, more than 2 meters. So when delivery, this is even almost 2.6 meters, especially the wise from here to here. The wise is more than 2.3 meters. So you can see just now in the track, this auto feeder is separated into 2 parts because the whole feeder is very difficult to put inside one 40 high Q container. Okay, now let's see our another workshop, especially for reactors. See, this is the water tank cooling. It's under manufacture. Look, this one also very big. Even it's the same water cooling tank condensers. In our company, we made, can
有
see
买家进入
the
直播间
pipes
了，
is totally 33 pipes, and with different size. That is different from the market. One tank is almost 9.8 ton. And this fix it very well before delivery, in order to guarantee the safety on the way. See, this is the auto feeder during delivery. The upper cover is already removed. That delivered separately. This one is the odor remove device. You know, if you have seen the pyrolysis machine running factory, you maybe you have seen that there's some bad smells. That is from a terrible gas called H2S. This device is especially used to remove the H2S. Then after this device, there's no smell in the factory. This factory, this workshop from here into this side, totally 8,000 square meters, especially used to produce reactor of pyrolysis machine. This is a 15-ton semi-continuous machine. This is the installation of the distillation machine. This is the reactor. It's ready delivered.
有买家进入直播间了。
This is oil tank. Look, this tank is for my India customer. Two sets, 15 ton. They also bought the semi-continuous machine. This is also for India. Number 1 and number 2 oil tank. This is number 3. Number 4. 5. 6. 2 lines, totally 6 tanks. In our condenser system, totally need 6 tanks. Now we compare the tank size. Look, I'm standing in front of the tank now. You can see the height. The diameter of the tank is 1.5 meters.
有买家进入直播间了。
Sorry, the height 1.5 meter. The diameter of this tank is 1.1 meter. Because 15-ton machine, it contains the 15-ton materials and it contains more oil. So it needs a big tank to collect all the oil. There are many points you need to concern about during pyrolysis machine running. And you know, why we make so big tank? Because usually we are not suggested to pump oil during the production. Because inside have gas. If you pump the oil out, maybe the gas will come out from oil. This will be dangerous. So usually, one batch, you need to collect all the oil out and then take out the oil after one batch finish. Now we come to the material area. This is the automatic cutting machine. It's the plasma. Our engineer will make the drawing. It's which shape and which size they need to cut, and place order to this material team. They will cut the material according to the drawing. It's all automatically.
有买家进入直播间了。
This is the cutting result. Look, it's very smooth. So when we put it to the welding, this is more easier for welding work. And it's more easier to guarantee the welding quality. This one is ready to deliver. It's already painted. After the material, comes, we'll put to different pieces to make different. This area actually is the waiting area. Why we say waiting? For example, this small unit, this is the unit. It's already done, now ready for delivery to the.
有买家进入直播间了。
It will be delivered to Taiwan soon. This one is our 25-ton semi-continuous machine. This is another 15-ton. And this one is since we have different teams to do different work. So this one team is make the shell, make the outer shell of this insulation cover. When they are ready, they put this shell to this area. And later, this shell will go to that area to make an installation inside. And this one is also ready shell. You can see inside already put many hooks. This hook is used to test the fiberglass. Here used to keep the shape, not out of shape. This is for 50-ton continuous machine, but this is half of the cover. This is the top side installation. This is the base of continuous machine. This one is for United States customer. The difference of a continuous machine with batch machine You can see the continuous machine will make the furnace ready before delivery. All is in one, all in one. So in customer factory, just put there and connect the reactors is okay. This size is only half of the reactor. Two sides, two installation and two reactors connected together to make one reactor. The total length of 150-ton reactor, 26 meters. Now we can see this shell. The ready shell is already delivered to this area.
有
It's
买家
ready
进入直播
to
间了。
make fiberglass and fire cement. This is another this is the eye tool. This is the active of the that type and the semi-continuous type reactor. You can see. In our factory, in our design, everything connected to the reactor is put in one I-beam. So this can guarantee that everything is in one frame. That is for balance. It's good for balance of the reactor. In this area, especially for the installation cover. And also that area, that there's two teams. One team is here, one team is here. Two teams especially make installation cover. See what's this? This is two frames, two small units of 500 kilograms. This is also for Taiwan. The customer together ordered 3 sets. This is the reactor. We put materials inside reactor. And after pyrolysis, there will be gas. Oil gas comes this way to the first one is buffer chamber. To the buffer chamber. And then gas goes from buffer chamber to the first condenser. From the first condenser go to this oil water separator. At the same time, this is also our condenser. We call it the second step condenser. From this condenser goes to the third one. The third one is the main condenser, horizontal. From horizontal condenser, there's some uncondensable gas will go to this water seal device. From water seal device, the gas is come out from here. This will connect or T-joint. One line go to furnace for heating. The other line will go to the extra gas furnace and burn the extra gas. This is the oil tank. This unit is specially designed according to our 40 high cube container. Two lines can put in one 40 high cube container. In that same size of 40 high cube. Now we arrived at the welding area. Here have 3 teams. There are 3 automatic welding machines with 3 teams. The 3 reactors can be welded at the same time. If you have 1 set order or 3 sets, the delivery will be the same. Now we see the welding. This is all automatic welding. As we see in the material area, after plate cutting, and we put it here for the welding. This is another auto feeder. This auto feeder is ready delivered to Brazil. That is Brazil, Sao Paulo. Here is assembling area. After the installation cover and the internal reactor is ready, we put them together in this area. Assembling is another team. This team especially they make the reactor into balance, and you don't know the feeding sites and the oil outlet, the concentration. This is very, very important. 2 points should be in the same line. 2 points, this point and that point should be in the same line. We need to adjust this bearing. Adjust the bearing to adjust the balance. And just now we have seen this I-beam. This is the I-beam of the reactor. This bearing is on the I-beam. And same with reactor. See in the backside. In the backside, the gearbox. This gearbox and the motor also is in one I-beam. Everything is at same water level, so this will be strong enough during reactor running. If you are new to this business, maybe you don't know why make it balanced. Because in this reactor itself, the weight is already more than 30 tons. And if you put another 15 tons tire or plastic, totally will be more than 40 tons. So when the reactor is running, if anywhere is not in balance or not in the same water level, and even the concentration of this feeding and the oil outlet is not in the center, is not in the same line, this will make the reactor vibration. This is very dangerous. Look, this is our reactor design. From
有买
reactor
家进
to
入
the
直播间
bearing.
了，
There, this is another casting steel. It's our ring. You know, reactor temperature is high, but with this one, when the temperature reach to the bearing, temperature already reduced. This can protect the bearing. If the bearing is working under high temperature, it's very easy damage. Here, what's this? This is used for cooling. You know, when the reactor, when one batch is finished, you need to waiting for a reactor cooling down before discharge carbon black and wire. But if only waiting and cooling by natural, it takes a long time. Need at least 8 hours or more, maybe 20 hours or 10 hours. This will waste a lot of time. But with this system, the cooling time can be reduced half. 50%. Can reduce 50%. This machine is for Thailand. 15-ton Thailand. This one is 18-ton for Thailand. This one is 15-ton is for Sri Lanka. Fifteen-ton plastic pyrolysis machine for Sri Lanka. And this one is oil slurry pyrolysis machine for Malaysia. This is the continuous machine reactor welding.
有买家进入直播间了，
This one is for United States. This is the half of the reactor. This is the other half. Two joined together will be one full reactor. This is the 500 distillation machine. 500 kg. 500 kg. And this one is 50-ton together with this one. This is the for distillation machine. That is our 5-ton distillation reactor. Welcome our new client. Now you are in doing company live show or with the tire pyrolysis machine delivery. The new customers, if you are interested in pyrolysis machine, no matter you have with the tire or plastic or oil sludge, you can focus on us and follow us. We have live show every week. If you want to see our factory or you want to communicate more about the knowledge of pyrolysis, you can contact us. We already have 13 years experience on this field. And now we already delivered a machine to more than 90 countries all over the world. 90. Besides, if you are from Africa, now we are building our manufacturing factory in Nigeria. And we have office and factory, also our engineer, all in Nigeria. You also can go to Nigeria to meet with our people and talk more details.
有买家进入直
But
播间了。
surely you are highly welcomed in our company in China. This one ready to go. For the new customers, now the delivery is to Kenya. It's a 15-ton with the tire pyrolysis machine, including automatic feeder and the tire cutters, also carbon black briquetting machine. This morning already went one truck. This is the second truck. Now it's ready to go. The third one is coming. The carbon black briquette machine. The second truck already go. Now it's going to deliver the third one. Some customer, when they see the price, they say, why your prices are so high compared with others? But you can see one line, one machine will deliver totally 3 trucks, but others deliver only 1 truck. They cannot compare. So we must learn more details.小崔，这台啥时候装呀？我现在在直播。This is the engineer taking charge of the delivery. This is some spare parts. This is just a little part. We have another workshop, the new site. New site, we totally have 3 layers of spare parts. It's a total 3 floor. And the area is much bigger than this. Since today our topic is delivery, so we will not be able to move to the new site to see the storage. Next time, if we will live show for factory village, then I will introduce to you the whole site of our factory. Today here we see is just the old site. We have another new site. This is our engineer come back just from customer factory. 这是我直播的。He is very professional for the continuous machine. This is the spare parts just delivered here from the new site. This is for the machine delivery. Welcome our new customers. Now you are in the live show of doing group for 15 ton This is tire pyrolysis machine delivery. Just now we met our engineer. Now let me introduce you our engineer team. Right now we have engineer in Nigeria and in Malaysia. Another one is the one we met just now. Is going to Philippines and Indonesia very soon. Now he just gets the Philippines visa. Is ready to go. Besides, we also have overseas engineers in Nigeria and in Mexico. So if you need to meet our engineer or need any help from us, if our engineer is ready in your country, you can contact us. Oh, by the way, one of engineer now is already fixed the time to go to South Africa. Another one is in Japanese. In Japan. Another engineer now is in Japan. So Nigeria, Japan, South Africa, Malaysia, Philippines, Mexico. We already have engineer there. If you are from these countries or from nearby countries, or you want to meet our engineer, you can contact with our sales manager. We can arrange the time. Or our engineer is all very professional, can give you some help.你啥时候去菲律宾啊？不知道啊，没正事，不是半天见了车没车。哦。这念油都念半年了，还这么牛。The third truck went to the workshop for delivery. I think a delivery of reactor. That is reactor workshop. Now we see the truck is moving to the workshop. As you see, a tech reactor, this truck is very big. So when you are making the building, we suggest you confirm with us about the size. Because if your building is ready, when you deliver reactor inside, if the door is narrow or the space is not enough, it's a little difficult. So we suggest you before you choose which sites or which workshop is for reactor, it's better confirm with us. Usually, the height of the building needed to be at least 11 meters. And this gate is suggested to be at least 5 meters. I think I remember it's 5 meters. And also the space, if I have building here and building here face to face, you should concern about the distance from here to here, because when the truck goes inside, need enough space. But don't worry, our sales manager or our engineer, we are all very familiar with the installation and with the site. You can confirm with us. This truck is 17.5 meters.亚楠，
哎，
客户还多不多？
应该是不太多，他是偶尔推了一个。你要结束吗？
不太多，那时间差不多，我们结束吧。
行，那我这边关了。
好，先等会儿，然后跟我说一下。
嗯。
Okay, everybody, my dear friends. Now time is very fast. It's already 1 hour. So today we will stop here. If you want to learn more knowledge about pyrolysis machine, or you want to see more about the delivery, you can contact with us later, and we will show you especially about the delivery today. Because every time when we deliver machine, we have a video. Our company will
有
take a
买家进
video
入直
and
播
put
间
in a
了，
folder the record. Okay, we will stop here. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye. 关了吧？
好，挂吧。
好。